I hate wasting food. I forgot this was here. It's still good, but its timeline started long before my fridge.
After harvest, it keeps breathing. It keeps losing moisture. Appeal products are designed for that earlier moment when oxygen moves in and water moves out. Less waste doesn't begin in my kitchen. It begins upstream.